Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a Mac screenshot. To capture your entire screen, simply press Command, Shift, and the number 3 simultaneously. Your Mac will then automatically save this full screen image directly to your desktop. This method is quick and perfect for capturing everything visible on your display with just one simple key combination. For a more specific capture, press Command, Shift, and the number 4. Your cursor will transform into a crosshair, allowing you to click and drag to select the exact portion of the screen you wish to capture. Once you release the mouse or trackpad button, the selected area will be saved as an image file to your desktop. To capture a specific window, first press Command, Shift, and the number 4, then immediately press the spacebar. Your cursor will change into a small camera icon. Move this camera over the window you want to capture. It will highlight. Simply click the mouse or trackpad button, and only that window's content will be saved to your desktop. For even more control, press Command, Shift, and the number 5. This opens a powerful toolbar offering various screenshot and screen recording options, including timers and saving locations. You can customize your capture experience precisely. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.